My name is Jenny. This is my identification. My trip. The strangest and most unknown food I tried has been oyster with scrambled eggs and whey. It has been one of the most unknown foods I have eaten. Since I did not know that so many flavors could be mixed and additionally accompanied by anchor chicha. The most incredible activity has been going to the Tyrona Park to take a walk with my family and enjoy the landscapes. I have met someone before we were at the restaurant where I ate the oyster one, and the family next door was also the first time I ate it. I never been an backpacker before, but I think it will be a lot of fun. Since we could get to know cultures more uh, closer and yet to know each other on a low budget. Thank you.